Hi there, welcome. My next recipe is octopus salad. But before I start the recipe, I brought you here with me Borough Market. Borough Market is one of the best markets in London, where here you can find all the finest food. But I am after a nice, beautiful octopus. So come with me to the fishmonger.
He's the manager. Oh, okay. Yeah, but the owner, the actual he's got bouquet.
I'm going to tell the fishmonger to clean it for me, and I will see you later to show you how we prepare it and cook it. See you later. So now we can drain it. And then after we gave the octopus a good wash, what we're going to do, I've got a pot full of water here. We're going to turn it on. Then I've got some salt, bouquet garni, which is a tea bag full of herbs. We put it there, and a bay leaf too. Then what we're going to do, we're going to drop the octopus into the water there with the salt, bay leaf, bouquet garni, and the salt. Cover it. We're going to bring it to the boil. Then we're going to let it simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour. So 45 minutes to an hour, low heat. So for every liter of water, we're going to put 15 grams of salt. That's the ratio that goes water and salt. For the ingredients and the method and the recipes, do log on our website, robandjays.com, where there you can find the ingredients, the method, and a lot more recipes, pasta, meats, fish, salads as well. And do share our work so other families will benefit. Thank you for that. So, whilst we have the octopus there going, what we're going to do, I've got a small frying pan, but this is optional. If you like, I'm going to fry a little bit of garlic, because we do not like the taste of raw garlic. It's too strong. So I'm going to turn on this frying pan. In there, add a little bit of oil there, and we will start roughly chop 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. Like I said, this is optional. If you like, you can leave the garlic raw. Give it a quick roughly chop, and we're gonna just 30 seconds to a minute. That will be fine. And then when that is a little bit fried, we're gonna put it into this bowl. Then what we're gonna do, I've got some black olives here. We're gonna give them roughly chop, just roughly, not too small, just roughly. Also, just stir the garlic. Is nearly ready. Yes, I was telling you, you give it a quick chop, because if you use olives, so the garlic is done now. That's it basically, and we're going to put it into this bowl. Okay. Yes. So even if you're using black olives with this, without this stone, you still give it a roughly chop, or double check it, because sometimes you still find a stone or two, and it will be kind of dangerous. So like that you will be safe that there's no stone in the olives. Okay, that's a quick, roughly chop. We're going to put the olives with the garlic. Then I've got some capers as well. Again, we're going to give them a quick chop, but if they are small, you can leave them whole as well. So it's up to you. Again, it's your preference. But I will give them a quick chop. As for ingredients, I'm using kind of Mediterranean ingredients. But if you want to remove or add something that you prefer, that's not a problem. So that's the capers. We're gonna add this with the olives and garlic there. Then I have some cherry tomatoes. We're gonna quarter the cherry tomatoes and put them with the olives and capers. Again, do your best not to leave the tomatoes too big. In the old days, they used to add a cork with the water when they are cooking the octopus. They say it will cook better, but there's no scientific evidence that that is true. You can try if you like. add a cork to the water. I never tried it myself. So that is the tomatoes there as well, with the olives, capers and garlic. Then I've got some basil and parsley as well. I'm gonna again give them a roughly chop, and put them with the tomatoes, olives and capers. There you go. So that's the basil and parsley in there too. And then I'm gonna add olive oil. Olive oil, plenty of olive oil. Then we're gonna give it a good mix. Look at that, beautiful. That is gonna go with the octopus later. We're gonna leave this on the side, and then when the octopus is ready, we can mix with the octopus, and that will be the recipe. So, one more thing. When after 45 minutes, 50 minutes to an hour, what you need to do is we're gonna switch it off, and we're gonna let the octopus another 45 or 1 hour in the water resting, in the same water resting, before we start cutting it. So we're gonna leave the octopus there. When it's ready, switch it off and let it rest, and we will continue the recipe after. We're gonna drain the octopus, and we're gonna cut it into pieces, and we're gonna add it with this beautiful mix there. You cut the octopus how you like, but again, not too big. Now we're gonna add the octopus with the mix. And I'm gonna give it a nice, good stir there. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna check the seasoning. Needs a little bit seasoning. give it a good, another good mix, and you can serve. Also, you can serve the octopus like that, or you can leave it to chill out in the fridge and then serve it as kind of always room temperature. So, I've got a plate here, and you can serve how you like. Okay? With a lemon wedge. There's the octopus salad. For more video recipes, please click the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now, bye bye.